started on our sustainability journey. That was sometime in 2007. I do recall the first response, which came from our then chairman and Mr. Keshav Mahendra, and he had said that actually sustainability is nothing but our own old age Indian wisdom of conserving and conserving and doing things which are good for the environment. Actually, sustainability has come very naturally to Mahindra, in a manner speaking, because Mahindra has always been a frugal kind of organization. So we always believed in frugal innovation. We've always believed in, looking at things that are needed not only for the organization but also for the community at large. So having that kind of a thought process in the DNA, it was very natural progression when we got onto the sustainability journey. The adopting of the sustainability parameters was that much more easier. And I'll tell you why. Because what is sustainability at the end of the day? Sustainability is about conservation. Sustainability is about, not sort of spending more than what you can, what you have, dealing with your needs and looking at the society as a whole and not just look at your business. So having said that, when we got onto this journey, initially it was a bit of a challenge because people didn't kind of quite understand what it meant. And this was sometime in 2007 when it was different. Sustainability meant different things to different people. To some it was planting trees, to some it was conserving energy. So we had to bring all that on one page. So initially it was a challenge, but later on when business managers, the CXOs understood the business case of how important it is, not only for our organization but the community at large, and how community acceptance to your business was important for business community. They could realize the business risks that were coming if we were not sustainable. So once the business case was given and was understood, now it has become more of a sort of way of life at Mahindra. So that's been a kind of an interesting journey. And today we are pretty conscious about the usual things that whether it is energy conservation or water conservation. But now we have we realize that we do need to step this up. You can't just stay with energy and water, etc. So now we are more into looking at outside the boundaries of our factory gates, and now we are looking at more at, say, supply chains. We are looking at emerging issues that are coming out, like whether it is biodiversity or whether it is natural capital accounting and things like that. So we are always kind of up to speed. Governance has always again been a strength at Mahindra, but now there is a new dimension to governance through having policies and whistleblower policy and anti-corruption policies, not only for your own employees but through your entire value chain. So those things have been, there is a continuous learning. There is as the environment changes, as regulations change, as the challenges change, we have to change and adapt. But now that we are on the journey, perhaps it's that much more easy. Vast topic that one does need to deliberate and kind of slice and dice it from different angles, and so that we can collectively come up with some solutions. So yes, in that sense it's been a nice day where you kind of really heard different perspectives of people. There is no one wrong or right answer, and we all have to collectively go forward and do something about it.